Garma kanina with regards to question of deployment na napaka-juicy yung mga position from DI, from tsaka puro lahat Davao ang assignment except sa Cebu, tapos nag-schooling, tapos early retirement. Again, can you state when was your the date or the year that you retired?
That's June of 2019, Your
June of
Honor.
2019. When did you assume as PCSO chairman?
July 15 of 2019,
Oh,
Your Honor.
1 month lang. Di ba? Tama? 1 month?
15 days, I think, Your Honor.
Oh, 15 days pa. Sobra. Now, during the interpellation, Mr. Chairman, ng mga members kanina, Ma'am Garma, Miss Garma, keep on denying that he is close to the former president. Di ba? Kasi sabi mo lang lagi, maybe. Binigyan ka ng posisyon. Tingnan mo. You check the record. 10 years pa yung supposedly before you retire, 10 years ka pa, but you opt to early retirement. Tapos, wala pang man, sabi mo nga, 15 days, bigla ka nag-PCSO. Tapos, itong tinanong ko kanya, sabi mo, are you close to the president, former president? Ang sagot mo, because of those promotions, sabi mo, is maybe, that maybe. Now, I will ask you, are you special and close to the president, former president? Yes or no na po? Walang personal. Yes or no na po? Kasi lahat-lahat eh.
Ewan ko, special ako.
Oh, why can't you answer? Simple lang tanong ko. Are you close to the former president? Because that's why you're been given a juicy position with, in fact, 1 month, wala pa nga, 15 days ka lang nag-retire, PCSO, chairman ka na kagad. Sige nga. Yes or no? Why can't you answer? Oh, Mr. Chairman, since
Because, Mr. Chair,
Oh, why? What?
I do not...
I do not na naman.
No, Mr. Chair.
Oh, sige nga.
Because you said, am I close or special to the President?
Yeah, you're close to the president. Or special. Kasi, tanungin mo yung lahat ng mga classmates mo. Ako, mama, mga classmates mo, ikaw ang tumulong for the promotion during the time of President Duterte. That's why I'm asking the DIDM to submit to this committee all the years of promotion of all your classmates. Now, ang question ko ngayon, diretso na. I hope you will answer truthfully. Are you close to the President?
Mr. Chair, I'm not close. I was fine.
Okay. Okay.
Nag-floating pa nga
So,
po ako during his
Huwag
time.
mo, anong mga floating during this time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
15 days lang na nag-retire ka, nag-PCSO chairman ka, for all those qualified, for all those qualified applicants. Ang dami po na qualified. Why you? Why you? And though the fact is, Mayor Osmeña is keep on insisting, kaya nag-OIC ka lang kasi he never choose you in the list. Tama? Una ang question ko ulit. Last na lang to, ma'am. Are you close and special to the President?
For me, Mr. Chair, I don't feel close and special.
Okay, now,
Mr.
you're lying.
Chair. Because...
You're lying, ma'am.
Can I explain, Mr. Chair?
Of course, explain.
You know, there was once in my career na siyang mayor, nag-floating po ako 6 months, I don't have any position.
Ma'am, when was that?
That was in 11.
No, that
Mr.
was
Chair,
way back. Way back, ma'am.
Floating po ako.
But before he became President of this Republic, you're very close to the President. Before your assignment in Cebu, you're very close to the President. Before you retire, you're very close to the former President. And now you're talking to this committee. You're telling us that you're not close to the President? That's only a simple question. Now you deny. You said no. You said no. Oh, Mr. Chairman,
Can I, Mr.
Ka-
Chair?
kanina pa kita pinapa-explain. Babalik-balik lang tayo.
Yes.
Okay, given you were floated.
Yeah. Kasi,
2011.
yes, Mr.
Oh, but after that,
Ah.
lahat na position mo, Juicy.
Can I?
You can never stay. Palipat-lipat ka doon sa Davao and you will not be deployed as CIDG in Region 7. You cannot be deployed even the opposition of the mayor that time, Mayor Peña, if you're not close to the president. You're telling me that it's the Chief PNP? Now, kung Chief PNP, bakit nung nag-retire ka? 15 days after, PCHO chairman ka. If you're not chosen, if you're not close, if you're not special to the president.
Fraudsters are constantly